Hi guys, today we're gonna try out the Cherry MX Silent Black in my TADA 68. So this is one of the two silent switches offered by Cherry MX. The other one is the Cherry MX Silent Red. So what makes this silent? Let's try and open it up. The secret is in the stem. So as you can see there, the white rubber in there acts as a silencer. So once the stem hits the bottom housing, it will cancel out vibration. So no vibration means no sound. There is also a silencer in the other side, top side of the stem. In that way, if it hits the top housing, therefore there will be no sound. So without further ado, let's get tinkering.